Alright, so today we're going to discuss about the writing algebraic expression. When we say algebraic expression, it is a combination of mathematical operations on a collection of constant numerical coefficients and variables. But before that, we are going to analyze first the constant, numerical coefficient, and a variable. So a constant is a symbol that has fixed numerical value. A numerical coefficient is a fixed multiplier of the variables in a term, and the variable is a symbol that represents an unknown number. Like say for example 3 pi r minus 2. Okay, in this example here, the symbol for 3 and pi is the numerical coefficient. This is numerical coefficient, while r is the variable and negative 2 here is the constant. Okay, meaning this is the fixed number.